Hi, Zulily fans. I'm Corey with the Cabi Home Office, and this is Amber, a Cabi stylist, and we're here to show you an item worn two ways. Let's welcome our first model, Claudia.
Okay, Claudia is wearing our twofer sweater, but this time she's wearing it as a cardigan. Something I love about this piece is that it has a double zipper. So what that means is that you can unzip it from the top and the bottom, and you can really position it to wherever it flatters your body best. So we have nipped in her waist right here, and she is looking fabulous. We have paired it with the Galaxy blouse, and Galaxy prints are all over the place. It's a must-have item.
And Claudia is wearing my favorite Cabi jeans, the Smolder High Straight, great stretch, and a little bit of destruction.
Love them. Thank you so much, Claudia. Okay, so our next model, Bianca, is wearing the same sweater, but this time she's wearing it as a pullover.
Love it.
And I didn't mention before, but how gorgeous are these little bell sleeves? Aren't those fun? So I have actually taken it and I've done a little front tuck here, but the really fun part is in the back. If you can spin around for us. So we already have a little hint of the shirt here, but when we unzip it, we've got this fun peekaboo moment that I love. And if you'll spin back around, we will talk about her accessories that are so cute.
That's so fun. So this necklace is fabulous, and Amber has it on too. She's wearing it long, and here she's wearing it doubled up. And the really neat thing about this necklace is that you can unclasp it and create a bracelet and a necklace. So you got the 2-for-1 sweater, the 2-for-1 necklace, and now we have a 2-for-1, maybe even more than 2, belt. And so this is a leather belt, and because of the ring, you can wear it down here at your hips, you can bring it up at your waist if you're wearing a fun dress or a skirt, and you can just kind of position it wherever it flatters you best. And then her bottoms, she has a destructed jean, and it's ripped in the knees here. So love this outfit altogether.
She's looking so cute. Thank you so much, Bianca.
Amber, thank you so much for showing us how to wear these unique pieces in multiple ways. Zulily fans, I know you're gonna love them. Shop them on Zulily. Happy shopping.
Bye, ladies.